Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Mwah. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it. My lips may be getting a little ashy, y'all. I brush my teeth. You know how it is. When you brush your teeth, your lips, for some reason, want to keep getting ashy. But I'm cool with it as long as my breath don't smell like assy. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and see what y'all got going on. What y'all got going on? What's anchoring this reading for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? We have rigged games, y'all. There's a mess going on around here. Hmm. What's going on with this rigged games? Rigged games, manipulation. Ooh, there you go. Let me move my finger out of the way. There we go. Manipulation and or intervening from a close friend or family member, usually a female, to cause a breakup in a relationship, a jealous person who lies and causes drama, Lord. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it. Fix it, Lord. So y'all got a hater here. Whoever this person is a close friend, family member. They say usually a female. They could be a masculine that's trying to cause a breakup in a relationship. This could be somebody that's jealous of you, who lie and cause drama behind your back. What do we need to know in regards to this rig games and whoever this hater is? Clarify rig games. What's going on with this rig games? Rig games, what's going on with the collector? Rig games. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing libations. I'm speaking to someone that's very spiritual. It seems like whoever you are, you pull libations for your ancestors. There's an energy of praying. You might be religious or something like that. Number 58 could be significant. Okay, or you might come from a religious background. Place whatever way you need to be placed, but I am definitely seeing an energy of some sort of bribe. Okay, tempting, bribing. This person is trying to bribe somebody to do something. Number 52 could be significant. We also have the energy of real estate here. I'm seeing that there's a house, some sort of investment. Somebody's trying to talk somebody into robbing someone of some sort of investment. Take something, cause some sort of unfairness. Number 70, number 59 could be significant. This is also speaking of exploitation. Somebody's trying to pay somebody to rob you. Because I'm seeing them persuading somebody and giving someone money. And then I see a house here where there is some sort of mega project, some sort of real estate. And there's the energy of this person trying to rob or take, or you get what I'm saying, create some sort of unfair situation. And whoever this person is someone, like I stated, there's a family member here and maybe a close friend or something like that, that is jealous, who is lying, causing drama, or possibly trying to cause some sort of breakup to a situation or friendship. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody having libation. This person been planning this. I'm seeing an energy of planning. Yeah, there's an energy of planning here. Huh. Let's see. I'm also showing with this libation energy in this schedule. It seems like something is also happening at divine time and something's getting ready to happen. I feel like this person had a choice, a decision to turn away and stop when they had a chance to, with this hesitation, decision, confusion, and worry. I feel like this person had a chance to make things right, to leave it alone, to shut their mouth, come clean or something like that. I don't think they did. So let's go ahead and see what the heck is going on. Clarify endorsement. Mm-hmm. Clarify and clarify endorsement, please. Number 52. What is it that we need to know? I feel like this person tried to definitely sell some sort of story on happiness. At the bottom of the deck, we see in the Ten of Pentacles. It's talking about some unexpected finances, some sort of inheritance, some sort of will, some sort of deed. Could be significant. A house. A house. The first card that came out was the Temperance Angel. I'm definitely with the Temperance Angel. It speaks of patience. It speaks of balance, especially when it comes to a new beginning and love, romance, happiness, joy, and fulfillment. I'm seeing where there's burdens, causing burdens. Someone's looking to cause burdens. So it seems like somebody is happy. There's an energy of joy and happiness and fulfillment, and it may have taken some sort of time or patience for things to come into alignment. But then you got somebody paying somebody else or doing something, that, paying somebody else, bribing somebody else to cause burdens. for you. And your possibly your finances or some sort of situation possibly block something out for you. Look at this. Clarify real estate. Clarify real estate, please, Spirit. Real estate for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. Real estate. Let me grab that one. All right, one more for real estate. First card that came out clarifying real estate was a choice and decision. Okay, somebody made a choice. There was some sort of decision, and again, it took some time because it seems like somebody waited. They weighed their pros and cons in regards to making a choice or decision, especially when it comes to this real estate or this mega project or some sort of investment. The investment could be in a relationship, in marriage, something like that. Something that makes you happy and you making a choice. But it wasn't like I heard it wasn't like an impromptu choice. It wasn't where you like rushed into a situation. But it required for you to let something go or you gain some sort of enlightenment in regards to something or someone and let them go. And I'm seeing an energy of celebration here. There's an energy of joy, happiness, engagement. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, look, withdrawing your energy. Somebody got walked away from. Somebody got abandoned. Someone got left behind. Okay, somebody, yeah, somebody got left behind is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Yeah, somebody gotta have Earth in their chart. We got the Queen of Pentacles out here, Capricorn towards Virgo. I'm seeing a magician energy out here. Like this person was doing some sort of manipulative thing. They possibly even try to throw magic at you. But I am seeing an energy of them being in the Nine of Swords. There's an energy of regret, remorse, anxiety for the choices and the decisions that they have made, and judgment being called on the situation. Now, with this judgment being called, it seems like your ancestors have been awakened as well. They're coming to look, spiritual warfare. There's a fight, chaos, confusion. Not only are you beefing in the physical, you also there's beef in the spiritual. And asses are getting beat. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and move on over to the robbery. Because they got some damn nerve. They got some damn nerve. All right. Somebody might even pass away. Clarify this robbery with this death card. There's the energy of transitioning. Clarify this robbery. Clarify robbery. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Robbery for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to robbery? One more. I feel like whoever this person is, strategic, they planned this out. There was a plan. It was planned to go a certain way. I don't know if it goes that way because the first thing that came out clarifying robbery is the Ten of Swords. And I'm seeing somebody bleeding. Something might happen. I don't know if somebody gonna get stabbed in the back, shot in the back, or something. Something will happen during this robberies or this theft. That's what I'm seeing here. And right when this robbery or whatever this is going on, Spirit gives one more chance to make some sort of choice or decision in regards to what you're going to do. Because I'm seeing that there's other options, other opportunities that, other things that this person could do other than steal, rob, lie, manipulate, cause drama. That's a lot of low vibing energy. That's a lot of evil conjuring of energy. That's what I'm showing here. Yeah, it's for money because with this Page of Pentacles, it's talking about receiving news, waiting to receive news, especially when it comes to money with this Page of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody worked on this. There's an energy of like mastery, like they perfected it. I ain't gonna say perfected it, but at least trying to master it, how to work on it, try to plan it, trying to execute a plan. Which they think is going to be successful. Like I stated before, something will happen to somebody. They're going to think that they're going to get away with it. They think that there's going to be some sort of victory, like they're going to have some sort of advantage. But in the end, it looks like something comes to an end. There's a death here. If they're going to pass away, well, the whole situation going to change, and it's going to change their whole way of life. They might even go to jail. Is what I'm seeing here. Mm. For their action. This could be physical, this could be spiritual, anything else. A fire sign could be significant, Leo. That's what I'm saying here. What's going on with the collective? One more. One more. You also got the energy of somebody coming to communicate with you, especially when it comes to this betrayal. Somebody gonna rat somebody out. Somebody gonna tell. A fire sign. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Female could be masculine. There's an energy of communication. I don't know if this is like them. They possibly could be communicating to you directly, or this could be like a phone call, text message, DM, or something, especially when it comes to the betrayal, deceit, the lies, the cheating, whatever else they planned on doing against you. You're coming out as the star. Okay? You're coming out as the star. There's an energy of you being, it's like you're a star energy, star quality, star seed, indigo child, or something like that. I don't know, a child of the stars, of the cosmos. And this person coming to you and tell you about what's happening or getting ready to happen, or and this could be in the physical, this could be in the spirit. I'm seeing the wheel turning in your favor. So it's just like you got the whole universe working on your behalf. There's an energy of good luck and fate here. There's fate here. There's an energy of this fate is for you to persevere. I feel like it was meant for it's whatever you're getting ready to receive is meant for you to receive. And it seems like again, this is like an energy of divine timing. Something coming in divine timing and somebody trying to snatch it from you, steal it from you, betray you, out of it, out of jealousy and lies. Well, mainly jealousy. You're protected. There's an energy of protection here around you. I'm seeing you guys placing boundaries, especially if it's something within you, intuitively having you to block somebody off, set boundaries or something like that. Do that. It's for your protection for what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing in the end somebody experiencing some sort of loss. There's energy of grief. There's energy of feeling unwelcome. This is somebody, look, this is somebody that possibly known you since you was a child, a family member, a friend. Trying to rob you of your happiness. Yep. They tried to rob you of your happiness, your freedom, your peace, your joy. They want you the same way they are in this energy of feeling trapped, stuck, restricted. I feel like this person might be bound or binded by lies or something like that. It's not written for you. That's not your path. And they can't force it. Look, justice card. Karmic justice is definitely at play. And this is talking about this person something might get locked up. Somebody might get locked up too. That's what it looked like. With this justice card, karmic justice at play as you continue to move forward. They try to stop something and the spirit is like, absolutely not. I'm seeing energy you being moved to calmer waters and you still receive this victory. You still have this advantage. There's an energy of you still being celebrated. There's an energy of you having recognition. This could even have something to do with fame. You got the Most High here. Whoever you are, I don't know if you speak amongst speak amongst people or not. You don't necessarily have to, but I definitely am showing here that you have access to information or you provide good information or knowledge or wisdom or something. I'm seeing an energy of you being a divine being. It looks like you're an energy to help others as well. Okay. You assist and help others. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I feel like there's an energy of somebody wanting control. Very possessive, very controlling. They thought they was going to get away with it. They thought they was going to have you down and out and crying so they can laugh behind your back. This is nothing but self-sabotage, self sacrifice. This is an energy of deception. They one way in front of your face and another way behind your back. The devil. Look, this is the energy of this person being left out in the cold. This is bad luck. Their finances are getting ready. Whatever they're trying to come against with you, it seems like it's about to. They're about to be homeless. homeless, left out. They're going to feel like the world is against them. They're going to feel like the world is on their shoulder. They're going to, yeah, it's a lot that they're going to be going through. Not only them, those that decide to collab, to work with them as well. There's an energy of collaboration. So whoever they work with or pay that actually took on the job, they're going to be experiencing the same thing that they are experiencing. I'm seeing a lot of mental jail, mental activity. There's a lot of stress and anxiety here. Look, didn't I say those that were partnered up with them, that work with them as well? They could be in a relationship. It don't necessarily have to. This is platonic or romantic, but nonetheless, Spirit is saying these two work together. These people work together, and they all getting it. Is what I'm seeing here.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.